Okay, so using story maps, you'll need to have a login first. However, they're very easy to make and free. You'll also need a Flickr account because those are the images that you'll be able to put into the map if you want to. Okay, let's go down and find where you're going to start. So we're going to create our own story map. So click Create Story, and we're going to do a map journal. Now, at this stage, I'm already logged in. I have my Flickr account sorted, but it may ask you to input your Flickr name. Again, starting a Flickr is very easy. You can just do it through Google. It'll have your name as it appears on your school email as your account, and you just need to connect it to a gallery in your Flickr account. And you don't even have to use those images if you don't want to, but it needs to know that if you want to use images, it's got a place to draw them from. You need to have a paid subscription to input ones directly from your computer or from the internet. So make sure you have your Flickr account set up. So we're going to do a side panel. Start. So we're going to create a map which will help a tourist travel around the location we've chosen. So let's say that our country is Thailand. So I'm going to call this map Traveling in Thailand. Now, this is where I choose what's going to go in each section. The main stage, this is where our map's going to be, and the side panel where I'm going to put other content. So I'm going to select a map. Now, these are just maps from my collection. You'll develop more maps as you go forward using this program, but for now, go to ArcGIS Online, and you can put in any parameters to find a map of your country. So, Thailand, enter. Oh, here's some examples. Some of them are going to be very specific and they may not be precisely what you're after. And there are pages and pages of them. They show all sorts of different things. But we just want a regular image of Thailand. So I'm going to go for this one. And now in the side panel, you're saying, well, it's your home section. It's the cover page to your story. So it's going to be displayed with a large font. So that's just a simple sentence. It's going to be on my side panel. I'm going to add them in. And now, oh, there we are. Okay. So this is going to be the front page of it, basically. Now let's add a section. Add section. So where's a place in Thailand I think people should visit? Bangkok. So this is where it's going to get a little bit more specific. You want to click Custom Configuration for your map, and now you can zoom in, you can move the map around. So I'm going to save the map location here. It's in Bangkok. It's where I want it to be. Now I get to do side panel content. So why would a person want to go to Bangkok? Let's talk about why it's a place where people would want to go. I can talk about any attractions that are there, anything specific, but For now, boom, there we are. So that's sorted out now, saved. So we go back to traveling in Thailand. Now we go down here and the map zooms us straight in. So now we can add another section. So I'm going to add a section. I'm going to call this one Chiang Mai. Again, I'm going to do custom configuration. So I'm going to find Chiang Mai on my map. You may want another map to help you find it or anything else you're looking for. Here we are, Chiang Mai. So again, I'm going to save the map's location. So that's where it'll swing to whenever I move to this section. So sorry for my spelling. So I filled in my comment, my information. I've got a title, the map's where it should be, and there we go. So let's head on back. So starting in Thailand with its big map, moving to Bangkok and down to Chiang Mai. So the map will move to wherever I set it, and you can still zoom in, zoom out wherever you are. And then you can just add as many sections as you like, and maybe you want to organize them, and you can rearrange where they go. So the home section is always going to be where it is, but any other things can be moved around, put into any order, and you can always edit them if you need to. When it's finished, click Save and share it with your teacher so we can see what you've been up to.